This video will demonstrate how to assemble Uline square metal picnic tables. Here are the tools needed for assembly. Before assembly, verify all parts are present. Please contact Uline customer service if you notice any missing parts. Note, it is important to keep screws loose throughout assembly. To begin assembly, flip the tabletop upside down. The table legs are labeled left and right. Attach one leg at a time to the tabletop. Note the right leg brace will rest in front of the left leg brace. Tighten all screws. Insert the cross brace with the umbrella holder facing upward and loosely bolt to the leg. Flip the table upright and loosely attach the bench seats to the legs. Ensure the tabletop and each seat are level. Then tighten each bolt and finish with the cross brace. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.